Hey there, I'm going to show you how Amazon Attribution works with inside Wicked Reports. This is for anybody that sends paid traffic or, quite frankly, any traffic to their Amazon store and really wants to understand which clicks and which traffic sources are driving sales and driving revenue and ROI so that they can better optimize to grow their Amazon stores. So let's take a quick look at it here. So once you're set up, you're going to have connected your Amazon store. You're going to have connected your Facebook and Google ads, assuming you're driving traffic to from both of those sources. And we're going to start pulling this data in from Amazon and present it to you so you can actually get a sense of the sales, the revenue, the ROI, and all that great stuff, just like with any other ad platform or any other data that you're looking at in Wicked Reports. So let's start with this top section up here. What we're giving you here is all of your high-level stuff, right? How much money have I spent? Most likely this is going to be between Google and Facebook, but how much money have I spent to drive traffic to Amazon? How many sales has that gotten me on Amazon? How much attributed revenue has it gotten me? What is the profit, which is simply revenue minus costs? And what is the actual ROI on my ad spend that I'm sending traffic to Amazon for? So this will give you the high level stuff. Is it working? If you scroll down, one of the things we hear quite often is, if I'm going to be sending traffic from Google or from Facebook to my Amazon store, I want to know that I'm not cannibalizing my business. I want to know that I'm generating a positive ROI in both places, right? If I'm going to spend $1 to send a click somewhere, should I send them to my store or should I send them to my Amazon store? Well, we allow you to compare that here. So on this side of the screen, you can see the Google representation of this, right? So for every ad you have on Google that's sent to Amazon, you can see the cost, sales, profit, revenue, clicks, and ROI. And for Google, all the traffic that you send to your actual store, you can see the cost, sales, profit, revenue, clicks, and ROI, and compare them. So you can see, I make more revenue when I send traffic to Amazon, or I make higher ROI when I send traffic to Amazon. So this allows you to make better decisions on how to spend those Google dollars. And then we do the exact same thing on Facebook. Where is your money better spent? What's performing better for you? And so this is all about knowing, yes, I know I'm generating sales on Amazon. Where are my dollars better spent? So cool, as we scroll down here, one of the things you're going to see is some really great trend reporting. So we start out by giving you Google, Facebook, email, and other, which would be anything else. And we're going to give you the revenue and we're going to give you the ROI. You can see the solid lines here are revenue, the dotted lines are ROI, so you can get some type of comparison across the time frame selected of how revenue and ROI is doing. If you're not doing email and you're not doing other, for example, you could turn those off. Or if you're not doing Facebook, but you're doing email and Google, you can turn those on and compare them so you can get a sense of what's going right. I mean, it's great to see that you've got 373% ROI, but is that trending up? Is it trending down? It's good to understand that stuff so you can figure out how you should be adjusting your ad spend. So that's a pretty awesome way to get some insights. And then the meat of the reporting is down here in our grid, which we've totally revised. And everything is now inside of one chart. You can pick your source. So you're looking at Google ads, Facebook ads, email, or other. And if we start with Google, you can see that I've got all of my Amazon Google campaigns. So this is any Google campaign that is driving traffic to Amazon. I can expand this campaign and it'll show me all of the ad groups that I have within this campaign. And then I can expand each ad group and see all the keywords or audiences that I'm sending traffic to. And for each of these, I can see the costs and the ROI and the clicks and the sales and the revenue. And it all rolls up to the ad group. Now we do the same thing for Facebook and for email. So you can simply change the source. And now I'm looking at my Facebook campaigns. And now I'm looking at the ad sets within this Facebook campaign. And now I'm looking at the ads within each of these ad sets simply by expanding and collapsing these rows. So now I can do a real strong ad set comparison. Which of these ad sets is actually performing better? Look, this is the one that's driving the most traffic and the most revenue. So it's a really strong way, again, to now get granular and look at the details. And now if you want to compare a couple of campaigns over time, I can simply click a couple of them and my trend chart will be replaced. Instead of showing me email, instead of showing me Facebook and Google, it's now going to show me this campaign versus this campaign. You can select up to 5. And if I start selecting more, I might decide, hey, there's just too much information in here. So again, I can just kind of turn them off and I can compare one after another. And okay, this one is definitely performing better for me than this one. But it gives you tons of flexibility with how you can compare your data and better optimize it so you can get the most out of your ad spend. All right, we're really excited for you to start using it and finally start understanding where your money that you're sending traffic to Amazon is actually being made so you can really ramp up and scale up your business. Thank you so much for watching.